Good morning, folks. My name's the Second Son. Just about every morning I walk around my pond and I see plants I don't know. In order to change that, I'm walking around somebody else's pond and I am seeing some absolutely gorgeous plants. I've been told these are natives and that this is some form of Monarda. So we're going to take some pictures inside and ID this plant.
So, off to the World Wide Web to look up Monarda. Monarda? Monarda. Alright. Monarda, otherwise known as bee balm, is a genus of flower native to basically all of the United States, with species reaching as far north as Canada and as far south as northern Mexico. This particular Monarda is the Monarda didyma? Either way, the Monarda didyma is the Oswego tea Monarda used to make a tea by the Oswego people back when tea was scarce in the colonial days. So, if you're looking for a pretty flower that also you can drink, Monarda, maybe. Monarda didyma is native to the Northeast Americas, which is where I am, so I'm happy to see it here. Natives are always a good sign. There is another Monarda native to the Northeast Americas, Monarda fistulosa. Monarda fistulosa is the purple bee balm, or the purple Monarda, and Monarda didyma is the kind of pink to red Monarda. There are Monarda cultivars with both deeper purples and lighter pink flowers, and I'm not really sure how cultivars are distinguished. So, all that aside, Monardas are very fragrant. They smell amazing. They're one of those plants that when you brush past them, you kind of smell the whole plant releases a smell kind of like a tomato or a mint or a basil. And that makes sense because they are in the aromatic herb family. Monardas are also incredibly good for pollinators, hummingbirds, hawk moths, butterflies, moths, flies, bees, and I think just about every other pollinator will pollinate off of the Monarda. Many Monardas are actually the host of very specific pollinator moths. The Monarda didyma is the host to the hermit sphinx, the raspberry purausta, and the orange mint moths. Monarda fistulosa also has its own suite of pollinators that are hosted on that plant and need that plant to survive. So if you are planting plants and you have a wet spot that needs some flowers, you can give many very interesting butterflies and moths homes and food by planting a Monarda. And wherever you are in the US, maybe even into Canada and Mexico, you have Monardas that are native near and around you. They're all beautiful and they all smell great, so there's no reason not to go out and plant a Monarda. If you're looking for Monardas and you cannot find Monardas, they do have a ton of other names going by bee balm, Oswego tea, bergamot, and many others. Either way, my name is the Second Son, and I will see you all when the sun rises with another plant. Goodbye for now. Oh my God, and I cannot keep forgetting to shout out my father. Thank you, Stover Photography, for the absolutely gorgeous photos. And if you see any very high-class photos on my page, know that they have been taken by my father, a dad with a camera. Anyway, goodbye for now.